Hello, today I'm going to talk about Mantl and the ELK framework that's installed by default. This provides you with a resilient, fault-tolerant, scalable cluster of Elasticsearch, Logstash and Kibana out of the box. These systems are scalable. They meet demand and optimize costs. We've exposed a single click or a REST API to scale your system to any number of nodes. The reclustering happens automatically behind the scenes with no user interaction. This yields a zero downtime. On our cluster, we've installed Logstash, Elasticsearch and Kibana, and this is the Elasticsearch framework UI. You can see an overview of the cluster. Imagine you're a betting company and you know that the Super Bowl's coming up this weekend. You need to increase the number of nodes to cope with the load. What I've just done is sent a curl request to the framework to say please increase the number of nodes from 3 to 8. Traditionally, you'd have to contact IT, ask them to provision some new hardware, install the software, install a configuration, resynchronize the nodes, and introduce them to the cluster. Incredibly, in a matter of seconds, the framework has done all of this automatically without any user interaction. Your data is safe. It's built from the ground up to take advantage of Apache Mesos. Behind the scenes, replication of data ensures that the data is always available. Optionally, you can persist to disk, a shared network drive, or software-defined storage for an extra layer of resiliency. The frameworks have been designed for failure. Failure happens all the time, whether it be hardware or software. The frameworks automatically monitor the tasks to ensure that if any of them fail, they're restarted on another instance instantly. Here's our 8 nodes again. I have a script that simulates the effect of 7 out of the 8 machines dying within the cluster. This means we've only got 1 node left. What will happen is the framework will realize this and try and reinstantiate machines to the previous state. Throughout this entire process, the Elasticsearch database is still fully queryable and searchable. Again, within a matter of seconds, the cluster is reinitialized, reconnected to each other, transferred the data, and become operational. Throughout this time, the data has continued to increase and continued to load the system. Despite this fact, the data is transferred to all of the other nodes, and the cluster is now fully available. This is just a small number of features with these frameworks. If you'd like to know more, please go to the links below or talk to Container Solutions or Cisco. Thank you.